My name's Dom Shanks, co-director and founder of Constructive and Co.
My name's Sam Scott.
Tim Greeny, and we've been running the business for 14 years.
Tim initially got a job that came through that was bigger than he could manage.
And then it was like, well, if we're going to do that, why don't we form a business together? So we did.
We do a whole range of different jobs, but often the most satisfying are local jobs where a family has bought a house and they're having it done up and they absolutely love what they get.
When we got the initial loan from Funding Circle, we invested in new machinery for the workshop. It allowed us to keep some things in-house that we had to outsource before.
The funding that we received gave us a bit of headspace with cash flow. So whilst we were developing the sort of design, what we call the design phase approach to what we do, it meant that we were able to bed that in and not be kind of overly anxious about kind of cash flow being an issue. The process is pretty easy.
They've definitely been supportive if you need them to chat through any of the things that we need.
Forming long-running relationships is important within business, and we feel like we've got a pretty solid relationship with Funding Circle, and that's something which we can maintain. Every small business owner carries a fear of some of the more kind of financial aspects of the business. Looking back, you realise that if you had less of a fear of borrowing at that point, then you could probably give yourself a bit more of a running start. We found borrowing now to be an essential part of taking us on to the next level.
I'd like Constructive to be remembered for what we make, but also what goes into making that. A lot of time, a lot of love, and a lot of attention to detail from our team. And I think without our makers, we wouldn't really have a business. It's not just a brand, and it's not just a name, it's everyone that makes Constructive work.